Welcome to the ES6 Bootcamp. My name is Fernando and I will guide you through this new version of JavaScript all the way. So this course is for almost everyone. You need to know a little bit of ES5 JavaScript before we move forward. So we will learn the new syntax that comes with ES6, and of course we will cover the awesome updates for our ES5 code. A lot of things are going to change, and it's going to change the way you code for sure. So what are we going to be learning? We will start with the simple stuff, with constants and variables. We will talk about template strings, array helpers, such as for each, filter, map, reduce, and a few more, of course. Then we'll hit the not so simple topics, such as fat arrow functions, default arguments, rest and spread, and map and set. And then we will hit the confusing stuff with classes, modules, and generators. Okay, if you come from ES5, ES6 is going to be an awesome new world. So open your IDE and let's start with ES6.